While being in the public defender's office, I was a part of the legal defense team. So it was me, there were attorneys, and there was an investigator. I only got pulled in on the cases if the attorney felt like I would be needed. So again, I wouldn't just, oh, hi, I'm the social worker, come meet with me. That it's not that type of thing. If the attorney feels like there's a way that you can impact, there's information that you can provide that's helpful to the case, then they pull you in. So I would do a lot of record reviews. So getting tons of records from schools, from hospitals, from jails, just going through record reviews and really dumbing it down for the attorneys. I would go out to the jails to meet with clients if the attorney felt like that was needed. If clients were at court and they were in crisis, I would intervene minimally because we CSW that worked in the court with us, like not for the public defender's office, but in the courthouse. So if anything got too serious, she would kind of take that over. Connecting clients to treatment programs, like maybe, client has a substance use issue and they need to get connected to a program, and attorney feels like that is what will help them. So connecting clients to programs, writing mitigation reports. So mitigation writing is really when you want to humanize the client on paper for the judge. So maybe the client is facing jail time. If I write a mitigation report that details, well, the client was sexually abused, and although they're kind of in the court system now, they've done X, Y, and Z. I'm really humanizing the client to try to get a better outcome. While in the public defender's office, it was very stressful. But one thing about me, I'm going to take full advantage of opportunities. So while there, I also did diversity trainings with colleagues virtually, ran my own groups, and then I helped out with 1584 cases. A 1584 case is a case where a juvenile was sentenced to life without parole when they were a kid. And so new laws and new research have shown that you can't really do that. That's not just because their brain wasn't developed. So I assisted with 1584 hearings. So it's a chance for the client to see the parole board. It does not mean they're going to get out, but it means they have an opportunity to attend. So I go to the jail, I introduce myself, I meet with the client. The client works on their own personal statement or like their own thing that they read. I work on my social work report. The attorney works on the brief, and then we all come together to do the hearing. There's no speaking parts for me at the hearing. It's totally on the client at that time. So I also helped out with that. While being a public defender social worker, I had the opportunity to work in high court and low court. So high court is your murders, your arson murders, your sex ones. Low court is like your traffic offenses, low level drug offenses, breach of peace, disorderly conduct, things like that. I definitely miss the court system, but yeah, it was just too much.